Let's look at this question. Bobby participated in a game show in which he was provided with the following information. Three persons, Pip, Trip, and Kip, will stand in front of you in a line from left to right, not necessarily in the same order. Each person will be wearing a dress of a different color among red, blue, and green. One of them is a truth teller who always tells the truth, another is a liar who always lies, and another person is an alternator who always alternates between telling truth and a lie in any order. Okay, so alternator we don't know. He can say two truths, one lie, sorry, two truths, one lie, or two lies, one truth. One person always says the truth, one person always lies. During the game, starting from the left, each of the three persons will make exactly one statement. After which, starting again from the left, each person will make his second statement, and so on. Further, none of the three persons refer to themselves in the first position. That is, in the first person. That is, refer to themselves as I or me. Okay. After giving these instructions, Bobby was blindfolded and he heard the following 9 statements from the three persons in the same order as they are given below. Okay, and then you have these 9 statements. See, because the statements are being made in order during the game, starting from left, each of the three persons will make exactly one statement, after which, starting again from left, each person will make his second statement, and so on. Can I say nature of the speakers at spot 1, 4, and 7 will be identical, because this is the same kind of person who is making the remark. Similarly, nature of the speaker who are at spot 2 making the statement 2, 5, or 8 would be identical. Nature of the person making statement 3, 6, or 9 would be identical. One of these three groups is the truth teller, one of these three groups is the liar, and one of these three groups is the alternate. Okay, now understand, whenever you are given different kinds of people, the best kind of people are extreme people, either the truth teller or the liar. So you try and fit truth teller or liar in these positions, and then alternator would be the last person you take care of. So I'm going and trying to set truth teller in the first position and checking if this works out. The first person is Pip is to the left of Trip. If Pip is to the left of Trip, let me check. So I will have Pip, Trip, or Pip, Trip, or Pip, Trip. Yes, these are the cases. The fourth statement would be Trip is wearing a green dress. So Trip is wearing a green dress. Trip is wearing a green dress. Trip is wearing a green dress. Okay. The seventh statement is Trip is to the right of Kip. Trip is to the right of Kip, which would mean this case has now become unacceptable, because Kip would be here, Kip would be here, Kip would be here. These two cases remain. Trip is still to the right of Trip is still to the right of Kip, but the first case becomes unacceptable. Okay. So if the first person to speak is the truth teller, we are left with two cases. Let me try and fit a liar here now. He is the other extreme person. Statement 2. The person to the left of Pip is wearing a blue dress. Because he's the liar, you can potentially have that if Pip himself was wearing the blue dress. If Pip himself was wearing the blue dress, this can be a lie. Statement 5. Kip is not standing to the right of the person wearing a green dress. Now this is a problematic statement. Look at this. Kip is not standing to the right of the person wearing a green dress. Of the two cases that are remaining, yes, it is true. This is a truthful statement because Kip is to the left of the person wearing the green dress. And because we are trying to fit the liar in the position 258, this statement can never be true. Therefore, liar will not be here. Let us try and fit liars here. Okay. Let's see if the third statement is the liar is to the immediate right of the truth teller. Liar is to the immediate right of the truth teller. This statement is valid because liar is at 369, truth teller is at 1, so either Pip or Kip is the truth teller. Liar is not next to them, so this statement was supposed to be a lie. It is a lie. Wonderful. Statement 6, Trip is not wearing a blue dress. Now this is a problem because we had reached our conclusion that Trip is wearing a green dress. If the first person is the truth teller, Trip is wearing a green dress. So when the sixth statement is Trip is not wearing a blue dress, this is also true, and therefore the person at the last spot 369, the person making statements 369, he can also not be a liar, which means our initial assumption that the truth teller is among 1, 4 and 7, this itself is incorrect. This entire case that we have made is unacceptable. We have to delete it and start all over. Okay, let us work. I will try to keep the truth teller here now. I have tried keeping truth teller at 147. It doesn't work. I will try keeping truth teller at 258 now. Okay, so let's check. The person to the left of Pip is wearing a blue dress. So if Pip is here, blue is here. If Pip is here, blue is here. And also if Pip is here, blue is here. All these three cases are possible according to the second person being the truth teller. Let's get to fifth statement. Kip is not standing to the right of the person wearing a green dress. Now there are multiple possibilities for this. If Kip is here or if Kip is here, then you can still get it true. You can get it true. So I cannot account for statement 5 right now. I will let it be. Next is the red. The person wearing a red dress is the liar. Okay. I can still not do anything about it. I don't know where the liar is. I don't know where the red dress is. So I can't incorporate this. But at this time, can you see that I cannot eliminate the truth teller being the second person in the line? I cannot eliminate this. So I'm not cancelling this. I'm letting it be. I'm going to the third case and I'm trying to put truth teller as the person who is speaking the third, sixth and ninth statement. Truth teller is the person who is speaking the third, sixth or ninth statement. Okay. Let's look at statement 3. The liar is to the immediate right of the truth teller. The liar is to the immediate right of the truth teller. So if that is the case, you can either have truth teller here and liar here, or truth teller here and liar here. These are the only two cases possible. But see the problem with this. In our assumption, in our storyline, the person standing at the third position should be the truth teller. But according to the cases made, the truth teller is never at the third position. So this person cannot be the truth teller. 147 cannot be the truth teller. 369 cannot be the truth teller. So we now know that truth teller will definitely be the person standing at 2, 5 and 8. Truth teller will definitely be the person standing at 2, 5 and 8. Okay. So this is the truth teller line. This one here, the second column is the truth teller line. We will see. Now I have to try to fit a liar somewhere. Because I cannot incorporate statement 5 and 8, I am not worrying about them right now. Let me try and incorporate liar somewhere. If statement 147 is made by the liar, let's see if statement 147 is made by the liar. Can I make an acceptable case? Pip is to the left of Trip. So I will let this case be. I will start all over because I'm checking if the liar can be in 147. Either this case, if liar can be in this case or liar can be in this case. So I'm letting this original case rest. I'm writing P, B, B, P and P here and blue here. Okay. Pip, 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 blue, blue, blue. Okay. So Pip is to the left of Trip, means Pip is not to the left of Trip. So Trip cannot come here. Trip should come here. Trip should come here. Okay, I've got Trip here, Pip here, so I will get Kip here. Now in these two cases, Trip will anyway be to the left of Pip. Trip will anyway be to the left of Pip, so not a problem. Wonderful. Let us look at statement 4. Trip is wearing a green dress. So if Trip is wearing a green dress, Trip cannot come here now. Trip can come here. This case is still acceptable. Is this case acceptable? If Trip is wearing a green dress, Trip can come here or here. If I give green to Pip, Trip can come at either of these two places. So no comment, no insight on that, no issues. Okay, and then Trip is wearing a green dress. Trip is not wearing a green dress effectively. Let us look at statement 7. Trip is to the right of Kip. Now see statement 7. We are checking for the case when statement 7 is made by the liar. Trip is to the right of Kip. For case 1, this is working out. For case 2, how this will work out is, if Trip is here and Kip is here, and if Trip is here and Kip is here. So now Trip is never to the right of Kip. Trip is never to the right of Kip because we want these statements to be false, false, and false. Okay, so far so good. Everything looks fine. Now the case that we are checking, according to that, the liar is 147. Now statement 8 was the person wearing the red dress is a liar. The person wearing the red dress is a liar. Now see, if the person wearing the red dress is a liar and the liar is according to us at 147, B and B, if B and B is here, cannot work. It can only work with red here. It can only work with red here and it can only work with green here. So this is one acceptable case or one possible case that we have come up with. Let us check if all the conditions are being met here. Statement 1, is it turning out to be false? Pip is to the left of Trip. Yes, it is turning out to be false. Let me write full Pip here. Statement 4, Trip is wearing a green dress. Yes, it is turning out to be false. Statement 7, Trip is to the right of Kip. Yes, it is turning out to be false. Not a problem. 258. Let's see if 2 is the person to the left of Pip is wearing a blue dress. It is true. Kip is not standing to the right of the person wearing a green dress. Yes, this is also true. Statement 8, the person wearing the red dress is a liar. Yes, this is also true. Now for this case to become acceptable, he is the liar, he is the truth teller. This person has to be an alternator. Okay, if this person has to be an alternator, let's check whether the three statements he is making are alternating. The third statement is the liar is to the immediate right of the truth teller. No, the liar is to the immediate left of the truth teller. So the first statement the alternator is making is a false one. First statement is false. The sixth statement is Trip is not wearing blue dress. Trip is not wearing blue dress. So yes, this is true. And hopefully the ninth statement will be false. The person in the middle is a liar. The person in the middle is a truth teller in our storyline. So this is false. So this condition, let me just remove the unnecessary writing that I have done. This, let me remove this. So this condition that we had come up with, Trip, Kip and Pip, with the dress colors being red, blue and green, is a valid one, with Trip being a liar, Kip being a truth teller and Pip being an alternator, wherein his first statement is false, second statement is true and third statement is false. Now we know the precise nature of people. Let's get to individual questions. Which of the following statements was made by the liar? The liar is making statement 147. Statement 7 is the first option. So answer A. Who is standing at the extreme left? Extreme left is being occupied by the liar. Therefore answer to question number 2, option C, liar. What is the color of the dress that the liar is wearing? Liar is wearing a red dress. So option C, red. Okay. Question 4. If immediately after the 9 statements were made, Bobby asked Pip, what is the color of the dress that Kip is wearing? Okay, let's look at Pip first. Pip is an alternator and he has made false, true, false statement. So the next statement he is going to make is going to be true. Pip, what is the color of the dress that Kip is wearing? Truthful answer is Kip is wearing a blue colored dress. Pip will say the truthful answer. What would be Pip's reply? The answer would be blue. Therefore, answer to question number 4 will be option B. The problem with liar puzzles or questions of this sort are the only way forward is putting things, as in checking for cases. If you're not checking for cases, there is no other way forward. You put someone as a liar, you put someone as a truther, you put someone as an alternator, and you keep on checking. Even when you're putting people in different roles, it is useful to remember that extreme people, liars and truth tellers, are the best people to check cases with. Alternators are not that great.